Very good morning, students. Very good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are doing good at home. In the last class, we will discuss that plant reproduction, about the plant reproduction chapter. In the last class only, I told that the plant reproduction. Plant means, as you all know, it's a living organism which contains leaves, fruits, flowers, and etc. Reproduction means producing young ones with the help of the parent plant. So this was the class I had taken in the previous class. Next, we will discuss about the seed germination. Seed germination. In Kannada we call it as a ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. In Kannada we call it as a ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬರೋದು. Seed germination. First point, when you heard this word seed germination, first thing you should know about, for the seed germination, see, this is the seed, this is the baby plant which is present inside. I mean to say, this is an embryo, see, embryo. With the help of the embryo, the seeds will start to germinate and it leads to the plants grow up. For the seed germination, it requires oxygen, O2. It means air. Air contains oxygen, and the formula of the oxygen is O2. The symbol of the oxygen is O2, and water, I mean H2O. Water formula is H2O, and warm condition, warm. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಬೀಳಬೇಕು. Photosynthesis process. Have you heard about the photosynthesis process? Yes. When seed germination, when photosynthesis process occurs, plants prepare their own food with the help of the sunlight. Sunlight means we feel a warm. That warm temperature is required for germination of the seed, Okay. Next, seed germination. First point you should know about seed. For the seed germination requires oxygen, water, and warm condition. I mean sunlight. It requires sunlight. Okay. When it needs oxygen, water, warm, the embryo, inside the seed there will be embryo. Embryo grows into the small plant. See, embryo grows into the small plant. Are you all seeing this plant? Yes. This is the seed. Already I sowed this seed into the sand. Sorry, sand not, it's a soil. I'm very sorry. Soil. When I sowed this seed into the soil, this soil contains NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. These are the nutrients of the soil which helps to grow a new plant. So I already sowed this seed into the soil. Soil contains NPK value. After all receiving oxygen, water, and warm condition, embryo of the seed starts to grow into a small plant. And hence the process of growing embryo into the small plant is called seedling. seedling, seedling. Once again I will repeat. We are discussing the topic seed germination. Seed germination, for this requirement oxygen, water, warm condition. Warm condition means sunlight. See here, sunlight. Just you remember the photosynthesis process. So for warm condition it requires sunlight. When the seed I sowed into the soil which is having NPK value, a good NPK value helps to grow a healthy plant. Embryo of the seed, when already I sowed in the soil, after that the embryo of the seed will start to grow a small plant, and that is called as a seedling. And overall this process here, overall this process is called as seed germination. The process of growing seed into a small plant. The process of growing seed into a small plant are called as sprouting. Molake baruvudu, sprouting the seeds, ORR, seed germination. Okay, sprouting, molake baruvudu. In Kannada we call it as a molake. Hurulikalu ratre amma ನೆನೆಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, and ಆ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕಾಳು that is very rich in proteins. ಆ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕಾಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಫುಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಕಾಳುಗಳು ತಿಂತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Understood? So today's class, seed germination needs oxygen, water and warm condition. I mean to say the sunlight. When I sowed the seed into the soil contains NPK value that helps the embryo grows into the small plant called as a seedling. Process of growing seed into a small plant. The process of growing seed into a small plant is called as sprouting or germination, seed germination. And one thing you have to note down, shoot of the plant starts to grow up into the air. ಏನು ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಬಯಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this part, upper part of the plant is called as a shoot. Shoot system, and lower part is called as a root system. My dear students, in plant we can see two types. One is shoot system, second one is the root system. Above the plant we call it as a shoot system, below the plant we call it as a root system. And note down this point, shoot of the plant starts to grow up into the air, and shoot means where the leaves grow, and that region is called as a shoot system. Understood? So this completes the seed germination. And in the next class we will talk about, we will discuss about dispersal of the seeds. Thank you children. Thank you.